So today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Threads. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Apple App Store if you're using iPhone, or Google Play Store if you're using Android, and get the app installed. So just search for Threads, and then here we are. This is the Threads app. Just go ahead and install it from your respective app store. With the app installed, you can now click on open, and if you want to, you can link it with your Instagram profile, or you can just create a separate account. Okay, now I'm just gonna link mine with Instagram just to make things work faster, because in any case they're both Instagram applications. And then you have your notifications, and you should be good to go. Right, so now you can see that's Instagram Threads. It looks very much like Instagram. It's a place where it's basically Instagram's response to Twitter. Okay, so there is Threads. You have your homepage, you have your search function where you can follow people on Threads. Okay, you have where you can create a new post. Okay, it's mostly text based. It's like Instagram but mostly text based. Now of course you can share images, you can take pictures, you can even put recordings and stuff like that, but then it's mainly a text-based feature or text-based application or platform like Twitter. And then you have your notifications here where you have your requests, your replies and mentions and all that stuff, and then your profile page where you can share your profile. You can you can see everything you've posted before and what have you. Okay, so that is basically how to start using Threads on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.